This tutorial I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some gradient color and light blue color, and again more light color, and the third one stuff will give the white color, so it's okay. Go to insert and take an oval shape, draw an oval shape. I'm going to fix the oval shape to 4.2 and 4.2. Control D to duplicate it again and place it here up. Okay, and Control D to duplicate it and place it here in a arrow with the first shape, oval shape. Control D to duplicate and place it here with the second in a row. Okay, and Control D to duplicate it and place it here like this. Take a rectangle, draw a rectangle, and I'm going to make a connecting shape with the in these holes, with the draw an oval shape like this. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. I'm going to make it perfect. Okay, to get a good connection shape, I'm align it perfectly. Go to fragment and fragments, I will choose this one and delete the extra parts and rotate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here in these two oval shape. Between these two oval shape, rotate, flip horizontal, place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Select all and go to merge shape union. Shape fill, white fill, shape outline. I'm going to give it some golden color. Yes, and the width will 2 whole 1/4, maybe. Okay, 2 whole 1/4. Yes, I'm going to give it some shadow effect. Around transparency will be 70, around about 102 size, and blur is 9. Place it here at the center. Go to insert round oval shape and 5.2. I think so. 5.2 will be okay. Yes, and 5.2. Place it over these first oval shapes one by one by Control D to duplicate it. Okay, and place it here. Select all one by holding shift and send to back. I'm going to align it perfectly. If you feel some difficulty to align it, you can align it with the arrows, and you can also align it by holding Alt. And I'm going to give it some different colors one by one. Yes, align it with the help of arrow keys. Okay, go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and take it horizontally and draw it horizontally like this. I'm going to place it at the center of the slide and give it some gradient, light gray and white. Direction will be from up to down, and also giving gradient to its line. Keep in mind that the line gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient, and same gradient as the fill gradient, but it will be inverse to the fill gradient. I'm going to make it switch to whole 1/4 and give it some shadow effect. And okay, I'm going to check to bring some icons that I need in this slide. You can find your desired icon by typing your text in the search tab of icons, and I'm going to take this one, and some setting icons. Yes, this one. By holding Alt Shift and drag it, make it little bit smaller. I'm going to pick one by one and make it ungroup. Then it will be converted to the shape, and I'm going to shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, give this one. Yes, again the second icon, group, ungroup to convert it to the shape. Yes, Control G to group it. Shape format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, give it some this one color. Okay, and place it here. Again select this one. Oh sorry, group, ungroup, and yes, Control G to group it, and again I'm going to go the shape outline this one, and shape fill, no fill. I have some more text that I have typed earlier to save the time, and I'm going to bring these texts to the slide. Yes, I'm going to fix these text. You can use this visualization for a payroll. I'm going to make its font little bit decrease. and to make the shape perfect, that the text place over it. Select ready to run and change its color. Now I'm going to fix these headings one by one and give it some different color according to the shapes. Okay, and you can add some text here. Under every heading you can add some text here: company setup, employee setup, sale text, payroll information, bank account verification. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and place it here. I'm going to bring some icons. These are 100% PPT icon. You can change its color, and every icons have some lot of stuffs. That's why it is a very heavy file. And let's see that I'm going to change its color. Which part you want to change the color, select that part and go to shape fill and change the color of that part. You can change the every part of its color. You can change the color of every parts of these icons, and I will drop a link in the description to you can get these icons from that link. State text is yes. These are 100% PPT drawing icons. You can change its color. Now I'm bringing the last one. Select Control C and Control V and place it here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Thank you.